Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing this nebulizing diffuser from Organic Aromas. This is a company that reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing video with this. So I didn't pay for this, but I am like obsessed with diffusers and essential oils. I love like putting them in the house, especially when I go to bed. I have actually an alarm clock that's a diffuser that my sister got me for Christmas last year, and I use it most nights. It's just so relaxing, like especially when you're going to sleep, to have like the room filled with the essential oils, especially if you're not feeling well as well. Like a lot of people really like to diffuse them in the house to kind of purify the air. This one I thought was really interesting though, because this doesn't use any water or any heat. So that is one of the main reasons why I wanted to try this. Because it's different to any other diffuser I've ever tried before. So I haven't opened it at all. Like this, it obviously came in like a box that had my address and stuff on it. But this is how it came inside. You can see it's like plastic wrapped and everything. So let's open that. So when you open the box, you can see it is really well protected with the piece of like foam sponge at least on top there. Inside, the first thing that is on top is information about their loyalty program. So you can earn 3,000 points for a $50 discount on your next purchase. So 3 points for every dollar that you spend. If you like them on Facebook, you can get another 200 points. And if you refer a friend, you can get 1,000 points. And then it also has like the manual and the warranty in there as well. So it tells you how to clean it and everything like that. You can see there. It also has 2 cleaning tubes. So these are like the little pipette dropper things. You also have the power device. So this one here, you can use it with an adapter. This is 100 to 240 volts. So it works with both Australian, New Zealand and North American, European voltage, which is really cool. So annoying sometimes if you want to buy something online and it doesn't work in your country and you have to buy like the big adapters and stuff. I always get sketched out by that, because I know even like with a converter, like if you just buy an adapter for the plug, the actual amount of like electricity running through the amount of electricity that actually runs through like the wires and everything is too much for like devices from the North American side of things. So it can actually make them blow up or melt, which is wild. Now this is a little base, and it comes in this like cute little bag. So cute. And it has like on the bottom a little thing to stop it from like moving around. And then this is the dial here that helps to adjust how much essential oil it nebulizes. But this is made with 100% plantation hardwood. It's very smooth. It feels very nice and good quality. They also have like the little glass stopper there. And then we have the glass base. So you can see, you want to just pop the glass holder in the little grommet there, and then you can use like a light rocking motion. You don't want to like spin the actual glass though, and you just a gentle like pushing motion to push it down into place. So that's what it looks like. You can see it's quite stable, like I'm pulling on it and it's not moving out of the base there. And then you can put the little cap in top. So this is what it looks like. This model I believe is called the Raindrop. Yes, the Raindrop and the light hardwood. So they have a few different colors. They have so many of these diffusers that you can choose from on their website. They have like ceramic ones, they have wooden ones, they have ones with like a wide wooden base and like a little bit more of like a sciencey looking glass top. It also comes with the like little dropper thing to put the essential oil in there. So I'm gonna insert some footage of me using this. I think I'm gonna put it in the living room because it's very like sort of decorative. And then we've ordered a new desk for our living room to put a computer on and stuff. So I think when that arrives, we'll put it on there. But in the meantime, we have like a little like liquor cabinet thing. So I'm gonna sit on top of there And then I have a whole bunch of doTERRA oils that I got, and I've only like put them in my diffuser a handful of times. So I think I'm gonna diffuse some of that in here. You only wanna use pure essential oils in this. So it could be any oil, but just make sure it's a pure one, not something that contains a carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond oil or anything like that. Carrier oils tend to be a little bit thicker and can clog up the insides of diffusers. So this diffuser has a 2-hour run cycle. So it runs for 2 minutes and then stops for 1 and continues that for 2 hours. Then it will automatically turn off. You can obviously turn it back on. You just turn it off and turn it on again. So I'm gonna go plug this in and we are gonna see how it works. So I've just got my doTERRA frankincense oil, and then we're gonna just pop a few drops into the diffuser. So I've got it all plugged in. I'm just gonna take out the little cap there. And then it does say to put about 10 to 25 drops of oil in there. It holds about 1 ml. The doTERRA oils are quite strong, so I'm only gonna put like maybe 10 drops. And so I've just turned it on so you can see it has a light that lights up, which is really cool. It creates a really nice ambience. You can actually see the oil coming up through the tube there, which is really cool. So you can turn the dial to increase the flow of the oil coming through, or you can turn it down as well. So like I said, it does operate 2 minutes on and then 1 minute off, and then it will go for a cycle of 2 hours and then it will completely turn off. So you don't need to worry about it staying on or drying out of oil or anything like that. So you can see it's like bringing all the oil up through here, and you can turn it up all the way and you can see it's going to come through a lot faster, or you can turn it down, depending on how fast you want the oil to go through. So yeah, that is the Organic Aromas Nebulizing Diffuser. This is the raindrop version. And I think it's super cute and I can't wait to keep using it. So as you guys can see, that's how the diffuser works. I did just use a frankincense essential oil from doTERRA in there, and I am really enjoying the way it smells. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about diffusers or anything like that, you can leave them in the comments down below. I'll also link the Organic Aromas website and Instagram if you do want to check that out. Again, this video isn't sponsored or anything. The diffuser was gifted to me though. All the opinions are my own. I have been using diffusers for a long time, and I've only ever tried the ones that you put water in and put essential oils and it comes out like steam. So it's nice to try something different. I didn't even know that a nebulizing diffuser was a thing. But yeah, really, really cool. Make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.